You know, your InspireMe cards were like, I used to wait for your bi-weekly inspiration
Remember the email?
emails. Oh my gosh, because they would come at the point where, like, I absolutely needed that message that day, and I always wonder, how does she know that what I need this today, right? And so when the Inspire Me deck came about, I was like, oh my God, now I have it like at the tip of my fingertips. Anytime I can just pull a card, and it just seemed to have the thing that I wanted that day. So when I heard that you actually have this app, I was like, oh my gosh, you mean that I can actually have it anytime? Well, I downloaded it.
Let's see what you think. I can't wait to see your reaction.
Amazing. So tell me, what all can it do? Other than I'm flipping the cards, what else can I do? Can I like randomly generate something?
Yes. If you go to Toolbox, you'll see get a random card. You'll also see an index of all the cards. So what are you discovering?
So if you chase two rabbits, both will escape. Well, I need that one because this week.
Okay. Hey, touch it in the middle.
It's amazing what happens when people focus and do one thing at a time. They get it done. Being busy is the corporate equivalent of chasing 2 or 10 rabbits. The Scrum value of focus says being busy doesn't matter. The question is, what did you get done? So focus, get stuff done, feel good. Lyssa. I needed that. This week was one of those weeks where I did have multiple rabbits that I was chasing. But you know, sometimes you've said yes to the rabbits like much earlier.
I know.
And it's hard.
Rabbits are gonna pop up all together. Yes.
Yes.
I know. I have the same problem.
And I've been much more intentional about the rabbits, and still they seem to pop up sometimes all at the same time, which was this week. So apparently the app works as well to give you just the right message that you need when you need it. Thank you.
Like the same stuff you have in the physical deck is there. The try this cards are there. You have things that you can do in the deck that in the app that you can't do in the physical deck. And then, so it comes with 7 cards, and then you can purchase 2 other packs for not very much money and then have all of them. So awesome. Imagine like using it with a group, right? Because everyone gets 7 cards for free.
Yep.
And so you can get people to download the app, and you're online facilitating something. You can say, draw a random card or flip them all over to the back. There's a little thing that says flip to the back. You know, and look at the big words. Pick a big word that's going to be useful to you, or however you want to use it.
Yeah, no, I can definitely see, like, even just starting a session with, what do you need today? To just take a little pause and say, hey, maybe the universe will give you that message. Just do a random card. Oh my gosh. And then share.
Yeah.
I can see. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for putting this out there and making it so accessible for all of us.
Yeah. Well, you know, it's a debt of gratitude to David Kuntz. I don't know if you know him, but he's an Agile coach, and he just contacted me and said, hey, I want to learn how to make an iOS app, and I want you to do the InspireMe cards. So
this is awesome.
Yeah, so he learned.
This is awesome.
He made a beautiful app.
Yeah. It is gorgeous. Here, one more thing that I would have loved. I don't know if it is there, so I'm going to ask you.
Okay.
Can I share a card with somebody? Like because that's one of the things that I do, right? I carry some cards with me.
We're thinking about, is it just as a screen capture? Yeah, but there's not, you know how we used to have the made to share cards in the physical deck? Yeah, if you can think of a better way to replicate that, by all means.
No, I think that's good. A screen share is perfect because that's really what you're looking for. But if it is something where you can just say, share this card, and it can generate like the front and the back for somebody, that would be pretty cool.
Right. Okay, great idea. That's
for a future innovation.
much better.
But this is awesome. Awesome. And the pictures have also come out so clear. And it won't get all frayed anymore, because the one that I carry with me, it's about coaching, and it's the one that says, you know, recognize the one I think you read recently about you being a diamond.
Oh,
Um,
yeah. Shine on you, crazy
Shine
diamond.
on, you crazy diamond. And I actually got that card early on when you first, when you first published these cards. And so pretty much my whole coaching career, that's been in my purse. And right now it's like it's there's like little dog ears and it's little frayed, but it's like one of those treasure things that I have to carry with me because so many times you need that. You
Yeah.
need that reassurance as a coach. Like you doubt yourself so many times, and that thing is like it's a treasure that that's just for me. I don't share that one
I
with
think
anybody
that's one
else.
of the I think that's one of the 7 that you get when you download the free app because
Let
it's
me
the one with
see.
the big trees on it. Look and see, Anjali.
Yes, yes. This is the first one that comes up. You're playing small. You're playing small does not serve the world.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
such a great quote from
that's
Marianne
the word.
Williamson.